Hello everyone, this video is for you. It's a daily video that tells you what zone we're in, what basic weekly plan we're working on, and reminds you of your routines. Take a look, you'll see that these three things are here. There may be some other things in there that may or may not relate to the time of year, but that's okay. Enjoy. Hello Fly Babies, it's me, your FlyLady Kat, and I'm here today to give you peace in your life, control in your home, and to help you learn how to finally love yourself. Today is Saturday, and we have a 2-layer cake if you're a at-home Fly Baby, perhaps a 3-layer if you're a payroll. We'll see. Let's look. So the first layer for at-home is that we're going to do our routines. We have 5 routines, maybe 4, depending on if your laundry's already done, but we have our morning routine where we get up and get ready for the day and then get our children ready. Then we have our laundry if you didn't get it finished maybe, or maybe you wanted to do your sheets today, or one of your children is doing their laundry today. So laundry. Paper routine is every day but Sunday because the mail runs every day and we want to go through an inch of paper. We also want to make sure we're going through our mail every day and not bringing that junk into the house to be stored. Most of it is trash. I know. I get mail just like you, and most of it is trash. All right. Then we're going to later on do an after dinner routine and a before bed routine, making sure that we're getting prepared for our Renew Your Spirit Day tomorrow, okay? So right now, those are our 5 routines, maybe 4, depending on if you have laundry. The second layer of our cake is this is Family Fun Day, so go have fun with your family. It is a wonderful day to build memories. It's a wonderful day to relax in your nice, tidy home that you've been working on all week. Make sure that you remember to do 3 clutter checks a day so it stays that way. Not to be mean, but to be mindful, because it's mindless clutter that causes the clutter that builds up in our home. So make sure you're checking 3 times a day in a lighthearted way with your family to check on your clutter and their clutter. And let's get it picked up 3 times a day so it's never a big chore. It's just a little few things. Honey, you left your socks there. Uh-oh, I left my purse over here and my sweater on the chair. And you, mister, you left your truck in the middle of the room. Whatever, you know, it's nothing your child's truck. Not your husband's F-150 in the middle of the bedroom. Oh, I make myself laugh. Okay. Anyway, those little clutter checks are really important. I know you don't want to do them, but do them anyway, okay? All right. And then if you're a payroll Fly Baby and you have to do things on Saturday because it's just impossible for you for whatever reason during the week, I pray that you look at that again, plan it out, see if there's a way you can get it done. I talk to you every single day on what to do in your home during the week to get it done. But if that's an impossibility, let's get it done this morning. If you haven't done the basic weekly plan, get that one done. That's an hour maximum for the whole thing. Maybe you've got an extra load of laundry or 2 that need to happen today that you didn't get done during the week. Perhaps you have to go get your groceries. That's a possibility. You know, maybe you didn't run some errands. Maybe you didn't pay your bills or make even a plan for the week. So these are things you're going to look at and see what you didn't do. Make sure you get them done. And if you'll write them in your planner, you can go back and look and see what you skipped. Make a little mark by it if you skipped it, a little circle or an arrow or an X, something that you know that needs to happen on Saturday. And use those Frixion pens where you can erase things so you don't feel like, you know, I don't know about you, but it makes me feel more competent when I can erase it instead of having lines. I know that's silly, and if you don't have a Frixion pen, please don't think it's the end of the world. I did it for a long, long time without those pens. It's just a nicety. If you can get one, get one. If you can't, don't sweat it. All right, so the main thing is use that planner as a tool. You're not using a planner, go get one. Use the planner as a tool. I promise it'll make a big difference. All right, that's it for today. Don't forget that, always remember that we're going to plan, and execute, okay? 3 clutter checks today, ladies, 3 clutter checks today. All right, that's it for today. I hope you have a fabulous day, and I want you to always remember that you are beautiful. I hope you enjoyed that, and I know that you're going to have a great time in your house today. Remember to focus on getting it done first, fast, make it fun, and get it finished. Complete the process, and don't let those little things bug you that you see that are for future dates. Use your planner and always remember that you are beautiful.